So guys, just going to show you around this lovely Mazda 3. Finished in deep crystal blue metallic with 16-inch alloy wheels. This Mazda 3 2-litre SEL nav automatic is just arrived with us here at Kendal Automart. So like I say, just going to take you for a walk around the vehicle. So as you can see, good condition on the alloy. Deep crystal blue paint looks great. Again, 16-inch rear alloy here. Again, as you come around the back, you see the vehicle is fitted with the rear parking sensors and is registered in 2018. And again, lovely condition on the alloy there. So there's no major scrapes, dents, scratches to report. There's a slight little nick at the bottom of there, but that'll be sorted as part of our preparation, so no need to worry about that. But looks great, drives fantastic. Looks like I say, when the sun hits the deep crystal blue paint as well, really does look great. Really does shine. You've got the cloth interior throughout this one as well, and the Mazda floor mats fitted within the vehicle, the carpet floor mats. You've got confirmation of the mileage at 27,905. You've got the multifunction steering wheel here with your cruise control and audio controls, and you've got your auto lights and auto wipers on the stalks there. Into the centre you've got digital radio, FM, AM and Bluetooth as well. You've got Bluetooth for your phone connection, navigation system all loaded up on there as well. As I select reverse, you'll see the rear parking sensors then become active. You've got front heated seats with this model as well, so they've got 3 stages of heating and are just situated just above your climate control, which is dual zone, so you can have 2 sides of the car at 2 different temperatures. You've got 2 manufacturer keys and a full Mazda service history with this one as well. The automatic gear selector and the controls for your Mazda screen there as well. They're all controlled on here. So lovely example, really well finished. Like I say, full Mazda service history, which is documented online. But a lovely vehicle, great drive. Now if you do want to sit where I'm sat here and come and drive this lovely Mazda 3, all you've got to do is give us a call, book an appointment with myself, and we will take care of that. You can do that by giving us a call through Auto Trader or on the Auto Trader live chat. We are active on Facebook, Instagram as well, on our social media platforms, and you will obviously find us on the Cox Motor Group website, which gives you an option to reserve the vehicle if you can't get down for a couple of days. That usually is the best way to make sure that the vehicle is still available, as they do move very quickly. But lovely example and some great features inside. But I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye bye for now.